Hey, good morning and welcome back. It's something like, 5 a.m. in the morning here. I'm on board, but I'm still getting my jet lag off. So just woke up trying to get set to the US time and the Indian time. It's not going to be easy, but anyway, so let's talk about the rocket. So remember my vlog on the way back from Goa. Some doesn't end here. I have actually dropped the rocket. Okay. This is the time issue with my fog. Hello. Fresh bottle rock is not allowed. Somewhere where we were having lunch at that Ishwar Dhaba, there was like a mob of people that gathered who wanted to see the bike and one jackass who actually throttled the bike. So anyway, in that process, I think one of these guys ended up knocking off my signal light. My right side rear tail signal light knocked off and it was hanging all the way. So I checked with the Triumph show. A new signal light cost about 9,000 bucks. So that would have downed me by 9,000 bucks. So I said, let me see what I can do. So watch me in this video, how we end up restoring this light and saving 9,000 bucks. So we just took this off from there and drilled one hole here and a slight pilot hole there. So the tools are right there. And now I'm looking to insert a screw right from here and that holds this one together. Once it's done, then put a bit of glue and then the screw back again. So this looks good. And yes, so let me make the mixture. Put in the super glue and then screw it back in. So the rocket is back in action with this tail light. Let me see. I'll put in the glue and the hardener. I'll just mix it with this. So I put the glue. You can see the glue squeezing out. So once I put the glue and then put in the screw. Let's do this right now. The screw looks nice and tight. Push it back in. I had got a countersunk, so this countersunk on the base, so it fits right here. So push this in and then tighten it to it. This screw right there. So putting the screw right there. It's got in already. We'll just tighten it further. Tighten this, so looks good. And we'll try it out later. But I think it's definitely gonna work. One for the ride. Oh yes, and that's how we saved 9,000 bucks. So remember, it's not always take out and throw out and chuck out of the window. Sometimes you need to put in effort, sometimes you need to love your bike. But the other times, hasta la vista baby. So take care, bye-bye and stay safe.